Hi everyone, this is Nilufa from Khushna's Creations. Today I'm going to showcase a few of my handmade products. Khushna's Creations deals in all kind of handmade gift articles, starting from gift envelopes, gift bags, gift tags, greeting cards, also fridge magnets. Customization is possible in each and every product. We make handmade diaries, um, scribbling pads, also handmade customized diyas, candle holders, and many more items, even photo frames as such. Today I'll be showcasing you a very few of my products, starting from fridge magnets, diaries, scribbling pads, and a few small items here and there. To start with, I'll showcase first my fridge magnets. My fridge magnets can be customized in any designs, any picture, any base color of your choice. Here are few of my already made pieces. Many of them are sold, so a very few are left with me. Price range of these fridge magnets starts from rupees 40 to rupees 200 to 250 as per customization made by the customer. Making time of every product would be 2 to 4 days, and in case of customization, if you want to take it from the ready-made stock, I'll deliver it as soon as you make the payment. Shipping charges, shipping would be charged as per actuals. All right, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रिज मैग्नेट्स के साथ. द वेरी फर्स्ट फ्रिज मैग्नेट is of Zarathustra. A very beautiful fridge magnet, red base. Here you can change the type of picture, the type of base, anything you want. These are available in different shapes. You can change the shape also, square, circle and oblong, and available in 2 to 3 sizes also. Small, medium, starting from 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch and 6 inches. This is the measurement of or the dimensions for the fridge magnets. First one is Zarathustra magnet. If you want to know the price and want to book it, kindly WhatsApp me on 9594939808 and take a screenshot, send it across that on that number and confirm your booking by making the payment. See this, a beautiful Meher Baba magnet. I do make religious magnets also, religious gods and goddesses magnets. A few examples I'm showing you right now. See this. Beautiful Atash. Every magnet can be customized. See this, a beautiful says. Yeah, a very beautiful Buddha magnet. I hope you're able to view it. A cute Parsi family, one of my very favorites. I have sold many pieces in this particular magnet. A cute owl. See this. Beautiful angel. See. These are beautiful for your kids' rooms also. You can stick it on their cupboards. Looks very pretty. You can customize any of the Disney princesses, any character, any cartoon character of your choice. I'll make it for you. See, this is Tinkerbell. Another cute ones. See this, a very cute dog. A cute little baby Buddha. One in a 3D this thing, 3D view. A cute little birdie. This is also a clock. This is also in a 3D view. See, this is also in a 3D view. That's a W different. Yeah, see this. Very cute designs I have. Not much in number. You can if you like it, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp me on 9594939808. See this. Another very beautiful one. See this, Elsa. Very favorite of today's girlies. Cute angel. Very cute angel. And last but not the least, another very beautiful angel. There are as I've already informed you, you can get your fridge magnets customized as per your requirement. Any cartoon character, any gods, goddesses, any other beautiful flowers design, anything can be made. These are smaller ones within the range of 1 inch to 3 inches. I'll show you a few bigger ones also. I have 1 or 2 samples left with me. See this. This is a sticker, it is not a magnet. If anybody requires the same design, I can make it as a magnet also. This is a sticker. It has a double-sided band behind. A very beautiful piece. See this. This can also be customized. This is 4 inches by 4 inches. It can be made in a smaller size also, or in a bigger size also as required. Another one. This is of Sai Baba. One more I have, I'll show you. So these are a few designs that I've already created for one of my fairs in which were left down. I will show you a beautiful thing. This is also a magnet with sticky notes, this thing, and a pen. You can put it on your fridge for any reminders or anything. It has a magnet behind. A beautiful kit. You can give it as a gift also. These can also be made and customized into any design of your choice. Even you can have a holder, as I'll show you another design. See this. This is another design. This has a pen stand. It has a sticky note, and this is a pin. You can hang any of your important documents or anything. This is also a magnet. You can put it anywhere, on your cupboard, on your fridge. You can put a pen in. This doesn't have a pen. If you want, it can be included in this. So such kind of customizations can also be done. These are two samples which are available with me as of now. Price range starts from rupees 150 onwards. Price range starts from rupees 150 onwards. I also make coasters of such types. These are decoupage coasters, available in single pieces also as well as in sets also, and I have a lot of designs available in this. I have lot of napkins from which you can choose the designs, and according to the designs I can make coasters in a set of 2, set of 4, set of 6 can be made. These are made generally on order basis also. This is just one sample left with me. Decoupage coasters of size this is of nearly 6 inches. If you want of this size, will start from price range of rupees 150 onwards. Small coasters for the set of 4 will cost you around about 350 bucks to start from. Designs, I can give you variation of choices in that and you can select from it. This is just a sample. See, it is such beautiful one. You cannot scrub it and wash it. You can just clean it with a damp cloth. You don't have to scrub it. Alright, see this. I also make gift boxes. Here is one such gift boxes. Today I'll be just showcasing some samples. I have a huge stock of gift boxes also. Today I'm just showing you one sample to give you an idea. Such kind of boxes can also be customized in color and designs of your choice. The boxes starts from rupees 200 onwards. This particular box will cost you around about 300 rupees. In this you can keep any of even you can keep chocolates, you can keep small gift articles, you can keep jewelry. Anything can be kept in this kind of boxes. I have many other samples I'll be showing you simultaneously in my other videos when I come up with. This is just a sample to show you that such kind of products also I make. See, even I make such kind of cute gift baskets also to put in chocolates or small kind of gift articles. You can put in a teddy bear. When I make hampers, I'll be showing you hampers also. I make hampers made to order basis, where I use such kind of beautiful baskets, gift baskets. See, this is a very beautiful gift basket starting from rupees 125 onwards. This particular baskets cost you rupees 125 rupees. Such kind of baskets I can make and customize for you. It can be made in any color, and flowers and ribbons can also be added. See this. Now I will start with my small diaries. I'll show you very small pocket diaries. I make in many sizes. This can also be customized in any type you want. I have a few ready with me as I'm preparing for one of my upcoming live and exhibitions. So the first one is a very beautiful lotus. These are pocket diaries. The price range of the pocket diaries starts from rupees 60. Any type of customization, anything can be done on it. Price depends solely on the customization and the size of the product. Alright, see this. One more. One more. These all are, right now what am I showing is are very small pocket diaries, generally used for noting down small stuffs and noting down numbers. Nowadays majority of people use mobiles, but it's a very good habit to form a diary also. So these are very small cute pocket diaries which can come into your purse also. And generally all these diaries of mine are taken for making hampers. Now I'll be showing you in little see this. These are scribbling pads. Next, showing you a combination of diaries as well as scribbling pads right now. I have not separated them. Now a little bigger sized. See this. These are with pens. You can customize a hamper, put in if you want to give it to your friends, family, for any occasion. I can make a hamper of stuffs like fridge magnets, diaries. Along with that, you can put chocolates, you can put many other items. If it is a girl, then you can have jewelry, or endless options of hampers also. See this. These are small notebooks. See this beautiful mermaid. See, many designs I have created and sold lots and lots of diaries till date. These are my hot selling items. You can get it personalized by getting the name of the person on this too. If you like any of these designs, kindly take a screenshot and send it to me. I'll let you know the price and you can get it booked by making a payment. So these are the small scribbling pads and pocket diaries that I have shown you. For the last segment of today, I'll be showing you legal size scribbling pads. Just give me a moment, I'll show you. See this. This can also be customized in any of the designs you like over here, any of the base color. You want to put in the name of the person you want to gift it to, that can also be done. These are very useful and very beautiful gifts that you can give. See this. A cute Pinocchio. I have made in number of cartoons as of now because I was working on some project for kids. See this. Motu and Patlu. See this. Snow White. So see this. Right now very much in vogue, favorite of many of the little princesses. Hollies. This is my hot selling designs for Christmas time. I've sold nearly 4 to 5 till date during the Christmas times. Particular design is very much in vogue. A cute Tweety. So these pads can also be customized. I'll be making more of designs in a few days now. So if you like any of these existing designs, it can be couriered to you immediately on receipt of the payment. I have made 2 in bigger sizes also. See this. Lovely, cute. Generally scribbling pads I offer them with a pen. If you want to change the pen also, that can also be done. Pen of your choice can also be kept over here. Depending on the pen charges and everything, the final price of the product can be decided. later. So today I have shown you a few articles of which I have made till date, and much more is left to show you. One of my specialty is my designer envelopes, which I'll be covering up in next session of mine, which I'll be uploading very soon, maybe in a day or two. Check out my designer envelopes. I hope you will love them as I love making them. My envelopes are of different types. Handmade envelopes are also available. Envelopes designed by me are also available. So both the types of envelopes I have done. I have envelopes for all the kind of occasions, starting from birthdays, weddings, engagements, anniversaries, general, if you want to give it on some baby shower, or say for example housewarming, or just like that only, if you are visiting somebody and you want to give them. In weddings also I have the Hindu style or the Gujarati style envelopes that is also available nowadays. The designs are unique. Just check out my next video and you will come to know what am I talking about. Just a brief, I have just briefed you up about my next video. It would be fully of envelopes only. All type of envelopes which I make, I'll be showcasing them in that particular video. Today I hope you had liked my creations and my collection. If you like to place an order, kindly take a screenshot of that particular product and WhatsApp me on 9594939808. Also I would like to tell you that I have my WhatsApp group as well as my Facebook group and my Insta handles. All the description I'll be putting down in the description box below. Kindly check it out. Join my groups for my regular updates and encourage me by joining the group and supporting me. If you liked my today's video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Please do subscribe and add into my family. Thank you. Bye bye.